Manage Engine. AD Self-Service Plus. Password Self-Service Solution. Password reset tickets. They might seem innocuous, but they kill in packs. Time and again, several researchers have stated that password reset requests constitute 40% of IT helpdesk call volume. It frustrates administrators, helpdesk, and end users alike. AD Self-Service Plus offers a simple and secure solution to this. It gives end user the power of password self-service and saves your IT helpdesk a great deal of time. Now, let us observe how an administrator configures a password reset and account unlock policy and how end users avail themselves of it. The administrator in the policy configuration window gets to create a policy and choose the features he wishes to make available for end users. He can create multiple policies, depending on the requirement. First, the administrator has to provide a name for the policy and check the options. If the administrator chooses to provide further features to users, he can do so anytime. Here, we check the reset password and unlock account options and click Next. Then he configures challenge questions with which users will enroll. An administrator can edit the existing questions or delete them and define his own. There is an option to even mandate a challenge question. He can provide the password self-service and unlock account feature either to entire domain or only to certain OUs. Now, he can click on the Enrollment Notification tab and select the domain or desired OU to send an email notification to users asking them to enroll. Once users receive the notification, they log into AD Self-Service Plus and complete enrollment, which is a one-time process. In future, whenever end users forget their passwords or get their accounts locked and seek to reset them using AD Self-Service Plus, they are authenticated by these challenge questions. Depending on the security Q&A settings set by the administrator, users get to choose questions and enter the answers or even write their own questions. When users forget passwords, instead of calling helpdesk, can press the reset password or unlock account button in their Windows logon prompt. Soon, a window with two buttons pops out. Then users should click Reset Password button to launch AD Self-Service Plus. It authenticates them by their domain usernames and the secondary authentication system, that is, the challenge questions. It also displays domain password policy requirements to guide the end users in choosing the right kind of password. CAPTCHA verification. A challenge response test requires users to type letters from a distorted image that appears on the screen to tell computers and humans apart. We saw the simplicity of the self-reset password and unlock account features. Now, allow us to show you how secure AD Self-Service Plus is. Take a look at how a bevy of security features make AD Self-Service Plus impervious to hacking. Every possible threat that looms over password self-service is thwarted or handled by a security feature. Brute forcing. If a hacker manages to guess a username, then he might try brute forcing the security answer. That is, try out all possible combinations. To prevent this, AD Self-Service Plus offers a lockout mechanism, wherein an account, from which brute forcing occurs, can be locked out. Administrators can define the threshold for unsuccessful attempts, and also determine the lockout period for an account responsible for such attempts. He also has a failed attempts at security questions report to help him find which account must fired. Bot-based attacks. Denial of service attacks. During security question authentication. CAPTCHA. A type of challenge response test distinguishes malicious application layer bots from human clients with help of perceptual challenges. Makes it infeasible for automated bots to carry out denial-of-service attack. CAPTCHA also plays a vital role in keep dictionary attacks at bay. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Are you wary of data thefts during transmission? We recommend you enable HTTP over SSL to ensure extra safe communication between users and AD Self-Service Plus, and enable LTOP over SSL to ensure extra safe communication between Active Directory and AD Self-Service Plus. Unsophisticated security answers. What if users end up choosing unsophisticated passphrases, which could be easily guessed? Well, do not worry, it will never happen in AD Self-Service Plus, because it has the ability to preclude users from constructing unsophisticated answers. Prevent users from using any word of the question in their answers. Prevent users from providing the same answer to multiple questions. Prevent users from reusing a security question. Force users to keep their answers at length specified by administrators. To ensure passphrases have the necessary length to survive dictionary or brute force attacks. Freeze inactive accounts. Most often inactive accounts are exploited to gain entry into a secured system. AD Self-Service Plus has an answer to such threats. You can identify and blacklist all the inactive, abandon, and disable user accounts in Active Directory, denying them access to AD Self-Service Plus. SQL code injection. SQL injection is a code injection technique that exploits a security vulnerability occurring in the database layer of an application. AD Self-Service Plus employs a specially designed query handler framework to check and handle all SQL database queries, which does not allow users to input manipulative SQL code. Besides, the only database that AD Self-Service Plus will query is its inbuilt database during secondary authentication, report fetching, and certain other operations. Add-on security features. Email notification. To send email notifications to end users as soon as they reset their passwords, you have to check this option. Select the next option to send email notifications when accounts are unlocked. Password Strength Analyzer. Be apprised of the password strength as you enter it. A strong password should ideally be a mixed case word with numbers strewn in between. Enforce Active Directory password history settings during password reset. Make no room for an administration error. Enforce domain password history settings during password reset, and prevent the possibility of user resetting to his favorite password. This feature is not available even in Active Directory. Prevent users from modifying security Q&A. Check out how you can prevent end users from modifying challenge questions. Take a look at the screen on right side. Selecting this option makes the tab Reset Q&A disappear, thus disempowering the user from gaining access and modifying the security questions. Force enroll users. For immediate user adoption of the product, an administrator can force enroll end users. All he has got to do is click on the Enrollment Notification tab and select the domain or desired OU to send email notification to users asking them to enroll. Enrolled users get to set secondary identification for authorization. Unlock account during password reset. Sometimes users do not realize that their accounts might have been locked out. They keep resetting their passwords only to find themselves denied entry. If you check this box, the user will be able to unlock his account during password reset too. Automate password reset process. If you decide to automate password reset process, you can configure the scheduler in the Reset and Unlock tab. The search for expired passwords in the domain can be run daily, weekly, monthly or hourly. Run scripts to universally affect password change for other applications. Users tend to have one password for many applications. Now, run post-action script to make effect the password change for other applications of a user, soon to expire password and account notification. Notify the users to change their passwords. In case their accounts are about to expire, you can notify it too, so they are cautioned and take the necessary steps. AD Self-Service Plus is a meticulously planned self-service password reset software, offering a multitude of security features, which tackles all possible threats looming over password self-service. It is clearly evident that it is nearly impossible to compromise AD Self-Service Plus security cordon. Deploy AD Self-Service Plus now. Do away with the menace of passwords reset tickets. Unlock account tickets. AD Self-Service Plus provides features such as forced user enrollment for better product adoption, automatic password reset and unlock, universal password reset, email notifications. AD Self-Service Plus is impervious to brute forcing, bot-based attacks, denial of service attacks, man-in-the-middle attacks, SQL code injection. It also provides add-on security features: password strength analyzer, enforcement of AD password history during password reset, improved security Q&A, freeze inactive accounts. We hope you have made the winning decision. AD Self-Service Plus team would like to thank you for your time. You might also want to know other crucial and interesting features in AD Self-Service Plus. Please check out the complete product demonstration for that. Click the respective link on the left to this video.